the price of $1,550, and the package is advertised as 30% off. So now calculate the new package price. Like in Cambodia, like even until now, there's a lot of company for the tour company
For,
tour
as in like travel and like see, like the place.
tour this tour, right? Tour. It's like a tour guide, so they have, let's say, like a one duration, like one package for people register to go, like let's say like to Europe, to America, and it costs like $3,000, $4,000 each people.
Uh,
Yeah, and then like because like majority of Cambodian people never go abroad, so if they go by themselves, they have no clue where to go. So instead, they will go with the tour guys or the tour companies. So the tour company will arrange the schedule for the whole trip. So then they can go to sightseeing, like uh, like the famous destination and so, instead
yeah,
of going by themselves, and they make profit from that. So, but I don't think like American do have a tour company. Maybe or maybe
we
not.
do, we
Oh,
do,
hmm,
but it's like not needed most of the time because I always like don't see people traveling tour guides that much.
yeah, yeah. I thought so. Because like most of American people like wanting to go like with just their
Europe
team.
or Asia.
Yeah, and then like they can understand where they should go by themselves, not just guide by the
Yeah,
tour guides. Okay. Okay, so now let's read this. So the vacation package is advertised as $1,550, meaning $1,550 is
the price
the price. What price?
of the original price.
The original price or the full price, right?
Yeah,
Original price or full price. And then the package is advertised, let's say there's a promotion and it's advertised as 30% off. So 30% off is the percentage.
yeah.
Okay, and then calculate the new price, new package price or the new price. What should we do first?
We
We
should find a difference.
we find the difference. So to find the difference, what is the difference?
30% off.
Yes, 30% off. 30% off. So the difference is what? So we find the difference of what? First of all, the difference meaning we understand the term different, but the difference of what? The difference of the new price or the difference from the original price and the discount price?
The difference from the from the original price, right?
Yeah, from the original price. So the original price would be,
$1,550.
so we find the difference of percentage or find the difference of the price.
The price.
Yeah, our goal is to find the new price, but can we find the difference of the price?
1,550. The difference of the original price, or
So number one, like the first step we always do is to find the difference, right? But
Yeah.
we find the difference of the percentage or to find the difference of the price. Can we find the difference of the price? For that?
The percentage.
Yeah. So we cannot find the difference of the price yet. So we only can find the difference of the percentage. So what is
Yeah.
the difference of percentage?
30%.
So the difference of the percentage, we know that the original percentage will be
The original
the full price mean how many percent? The
100%.
full price mean
100%.
100%, yes, 100%. And the discount price will be here. Discount price is 30%.
30%.
Yeah, 30%. So we subtract with the discount price, then we can get the difference of the percentage, which is 100 minus 30 is
70.
70%. Okay, 70%. Now, second is we rewrite the question. How do we rewrite the questions?
We make it into the percent problem.
Yeah, we make it into the percent problems. Now, what we have is this price and this percent. What should we rewrite the percent problems? Our goal is to find a new price, and
What is 30% of 1,550?
what is that a good question? That is
30% of
30% or 70%? 30% here or 70%? What is the rewrite question is correct, but the question is we find within 70% or we find within 30%. If we find within 30%, what is the price we are looking for? For example, if this is,
no, it's 70%.
yeah, 70%. But the question is, if we rewrite the question, what is 30% of 1,550? Meaning that we find the price of the discount, right? The price
Right.
of the discount. But if we state our question to be what is 70% of 1,550 is we are looking for the price of the new price or the new package. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So what is 70% of 1,550? Then how do we solve this? The formula,
Is over of equals percent over 100.
the is over of equal percent over 100. And
And we're
then,
looking for
yeah, we're looking for
is
is. So let is be some variable x over of, which is
1,550.
1,550% is
70%.
70 over 100.
Yeah.
So to solve for x,
100x
yeah,
equals 1,500 times 70.
1,550 times 70, which is by 50 times 70 is
10, 108,500, 108,500.
yes. Wow, you do it manually?
Yeah.
That even faster than the calculator. Wow, very nice.
All right.
Okay, so then x will be equal to
Oh, sorry. X will be. Oh, we have to divide. Oh,
yeah,
okay.
yeah, we have
Okay.
to divide
All
it.
right.
10,8,500 divided by 100, which is just
1,850.
1,008.
Wait, I think there's a decimal. 1.850. 1.85.
Wait, I think
Wait.
dividing with 10 or 100 is the easier part, right?
Ah! Wait. Do we remove decimals for easier thing? Or is it
Yes.
more?
So now where is our decimal? Do we have decimal here?
I thought so.
It's the whole number, right? 108500.
Because we dropped down a zero and we
It's
don't like
yeah,
placing.
it's the whole number, but the whole number always have a decimal at the ends. Do you agree? The whole number always have a decimal at the ends.
Mm,
Can we write 10, let's say one hundred eight
no.
thousand
I
five
know.
hundred point zero zero? Does
Oh, I
this
can say
and
yes.
yeah, this and this are the same, right?
I know because they taught us like how to write a check in like third grade, and they're like, "How this is how you write a check," and they like
Yeah, that's how we write.
put like the number for it. But I've completely forgot it now.
Okay. So now the decimal is always have at the end for the whole numbers.
Yeah,
When we divide by hundreds, meaning that 20, so we shift the decimal by
there's two
two
places
digits. One,
to
two,
the
so one,
left.
two here. So it is equal to
108, 1,085.
yeah 85. Do we need to write point zero zero? No need.
No,
It's up to you.
bro.
If you like want to write, it's okay because like this should be like $1,085 point zero zero cent. So this
Then how did
is
I
the
get
thing.
1,850, man?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Okay. So this is the new price, new package price,
New prize.
new price. Okay. So any question? Not yet.
No.
Okay. So let's do some a little bit harder problems. Oh. Okay. I have
Oh,
another method to solve this a little bit easier. But this is like the real methods, like the method that we teach students to do it step by step without making any mistake.
So
Okay, so this is the thing that we just see and we can get the answer. Very
so easier or faster?
easier
Oh,
and
both.
faster. Yeah, but it's not the official not the official what can I say like or not official
Method.
problem solvings.
Or you could just say method.
Yeah, method. Yeah, not a official method. So here we call it lady style. Lady style. Okay.
What?
It's called lady style. Lady style. Lady style.
Could I know why?
I don't know. Like we just keep saying that. And I don't know. Like it's not the official one, but it okay. Okay. But it
Yeah.
can be done and correctly. So When we read this question, we know that the package price, original price is 1,550, right? So
Yeah.
1,000, so meaning that 1,550 is the full price
The
is,
original price,
yeah, but is how many percent?
100%.
100%. Okay. So we rewrite this as 100% is equal to $1,550. Correct?
Yeah.
100% is $1,550. And the package is advertised as 30% off. 30% off meaning that now the price will be only
70%.
70%. So the price is now only 70% after 30% off. So 70% is the new price which we are looking for, right? It's the new price that we are looking for. So we denote it as X because this is the question mark, right? That's what we are looking for. So in order to solve this X, we do we do simply the cross multiply. So X times 100 equal to 70 times 1,550. Simply 100x equal to 70 times 1,550. Mm.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we solve for
But,
x. And we solve for x. 70 times this is what? 10H500, right? And divide by 100. And that is $1,085. Somehow simpler than the official one, right?
yeah.
The answer, and it's understandable. So, first one, the original price is $1,000, 100%. After discount is we still have 70% left. So 70% left. That is the new price we are looking for. So we do the cross multiply, and we get the answer quickly
Okay.
and yeah, quickly and easier. But we cannot write like, oh, this. Sometimes like other people will not understand it. Okay, so let's give another exercise number two. To George, George borrow $200 from a bank. Oh, $200 from a bank for 1 year at 9% interest. Calculate the total amount George owed at the end of the year. The end of the years. George owed at the end of the year. Okay. So here another question. So George, let's say your friends. Do you have a
Okay.
friend named George?
No, there's nobody named George in my school.
Okay. So let's say like your imagination friend named George borrow your money $200 and you will charge him interest of 9%. Do you know the term? percent. Oh, interest. Interest.
I hear it all the time, but I don't know what it means.
The interest is like if you borrow some money, let's say like here, George borrowed your money $100, and you charge the interest of 10% or 9%. So 9% is the profit you will get from the borrowing. Instead of giving him the amount of borrow, you need the profit as well. I don't need like a
So
if
it's
you
money
bought,
you get back.
yeah, that's what you get back with the profit. The original price plus the profit, right?
Money someone gets back after what?
So, so it's something like let's do like a simple practice, fair fair play. Let's say fair play. You don't want to give anyone to borrow the money, right? To be honest,
Mm,
like you don't want to
yeah, no.
like hand money to somebody to borrow and not getting any profit backs. But instead of that, they make the principle that if you borrow somebody money, you need to pay them interest. So you will pay them back with a little bit profits. So then it's fair for everyone, right? It's fair for everyone. So if you
Yeah.
have money, you give somebody to borrow your money, and then somebody will give you the profits. The profit that you earn from the loan, it's called the interest. The profit that you earn from the loan is the interest. For example, if you said the interest is 9%,
Oh,
if you set the interest is 9%, so the amount of money will return with the principal and the interest. So interest
so
nine,
like
yeah, interest 9% of the money you borrow. Let's say $100. 9% of $100 is,
9% of $100 is like
yeah, nine
uh,
percent of $100 is
100 divided by 9.
9% of $100 is 9% of $100. 9%
Wait, how do you calculate that again? I forgot.
of a
Is it
hundred dollars. Nine
it's like
percent,
100 divided
yeah.
by 9?
So what is 9% if we write as a fractions?
9 over 100?
9/100. What is of mean?
Divide?
Divide or multiply?
10. Divide?
Div- divide,
Is it multiply?
divide or multiply?
I'm thinking it's divide, but you're giving me multiply.
Yeah. For example, we have let's say the statement one third of six. How do we find one third of six?
One third is like point. Nah, I'm not gonna think about that, man.
Yeah, one third of six. How do we find this statement? One third of six should be equal to,
One third?
yeah, one third of six.
I know what to tell you, man. I'm kind of dumb over here.
One third of six. If we find the statement one third of six, we do multiply. 1/3 times six, which is two, right? So normally one third of six is two. Do you agree?
Hold
Like one,
on,
like
hold on. 3 times 6 over 1 equals. Okay, yeah.
yeah. So normally like one third of six is three. Oh, it's two. It's two.
Ooh.
It's two. So in order to calculate, if we do it with the operation, we do the multiply, not divide. So now 9% of $100 is 9% is 9/100. You agree? Of is the terminology of multiplications. Of,
So is multiply of is.
of, yes.
Wait, no. Is multiply of is no, of is multiply is divide, right?
Of is multiply is
Multiply?
of is multiply. Of always multiply, but is represent equals.
Oh, okay.
Is equal. Let's say like your balance in your bank account is $100, meaning that you have $100, so it's equal to $100. Is
So this is many so is no wait. So is divide or multiply?
is equal. Is equal.
Oh, is it just is?
Yeah, is. Right? For example, this is,
Like
let's say this pen is $3. So this pen equal $3, right?
yeah.
Yes. And of is multiply. It's another of $100. Okay.
Anyway.
Of is multiply. So then 9/100 times 100 is
Huh?
9/100 times 100 is
900 over 100.
yes, yeah, 900
900 over
nine
equals
hundred over
9.
100, which is
9.
$9. So $9 is the interest. $9 is the interest. So if somebody borrow you $100 and you set the interest of 9%, that people that that loaner will pay you back $100 plus $9, meaning this $100 will return plus some earnings, plus some
Um,
earning.
earnings.
So they will pay you back $109.
$109.
Yes, that is somehow seem reasonable, more reasonable, because we know that nobody want to hand you the money to borrow without getting anything in return. So if you have the interest, so maybe you think, oh, I keep my money in my pocket, so why not giving them and collects back with a little bit profit, a little bit,
Yeah.
yeah, interest. So so let's say like 1 year is $9, 2 year you will receive $80, and so on and so forth. So that's it, maybe a good choice. So let's do it. Okay, so now you can understand the term interest. Right? The interest is the profit that you earn from the loans.
So,
Yes.
sorry, you were waiting with me for me to respond.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay. Okay, now going back to our questions. So George borrowed $200. So $200 from a bank for 1 year at 9% interest. Calculate the total amount George owed at the end of the years. So
Okay.
originally he already borrowed $200, but the bank set the principle that it's 9% interest. So how do we do to solve this exercise? First, we will do with the official ones, official method.
Yeah.
Yes. So what should we do?
Difference.
First, we find the difference. What is the difference?
So $200 is 100 subtracted by 9. Wait, no. What you're saying tells me it's not. That's not right.
Yes. Or you can like see the face and interpret the answer. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is 100% that is correct, but the interest that you earn will be should we
What you
subtract?
get back
Yeah, that's what you
at
earn back. That the bank will earn back, meaning that it will be
at
increase, right? Increasing. So it will be increased from 100 to 9%. Should
okay
we take 100 minus 9, or the
at
different 100 minus 9 should be, if 100 minus 9, meaning it's lost 9%, but this is increased by 9%. So the
at
different,
we
yeah,
do add.
the different is add, right?
Yeah,
So 100
9%.
9%, which is
109%.
109%, correct.
Yes.
How about the question? Like, how should we write the questions?
Mm. Mm. Let me see this.
Calculate the total amount of your
What
oh, so we are looking for the
amount owed?
yeah amount O.
What is
Yeah, what is?
so we're looking for is
Yeah, we're looking for is correct.
this is an increase problem.
hmm
A increase. What is
We have a person. We have the total amount, which is of.
200? Or is it of? Are we looking for of?
We are
Or you're
looking for
not
up
allowed to
or
tell me that?
is. We just say we are looking for is, right?
Yeah, it is.
We are looking for is, and we have
109%
percent. Okay, what is 109%
of
of
$200.
$200? The original price $200. What is 109% of $200? So to solve this, so always apply the
Is over
formula.
of.
Yeah, apply the formula. Is over of equal to percent over 100.
X over
And then is x of is 200.
100 equals 109% over 100 equals 100x
Yeah, and then like, and then
equals
100
109.
x equal
100,
to,
109 times 200,
and then 100 x
and then it's 21,800.
21,000. Wait, I checked with the calculator. Oh,
21,800.
yes, that's correct. Wow, that's fast. That even like faster amount than the calculator takes.
I don't know if I trust that, man.
Okay, and then like to get
I don't know if I trust that observation because I'm kind of scared of that.
yeah. So you also the calculator.
Huh?
Like there's one thing I will like thinking of. Like if we use the calculator, is the people using the calculator, or the machine is calculated? That's the problem.
It depends if their
Yeah,
calculator
like
wise.
normally if you do something, we always add er, right? Like the the worker is the one who work, so that we call the worker.
Yeah.
If we doing calculating, we are the
Um,
that should be us the calculator, right? But when we do it like this, like who will be the calculator? This. or this?
The calculator or the calculator?
Yeah, this calculator or this is calculator. That is the problem.
The human calculator or the calculator?
Yeah, the human calculator or the calculator. How? Who is the real calculator when I do this? Who is the real calculator? Me
Because when you do
or
stuff,
the
it's
tool?
like ma to what word?
Yeah, so like should be ER to represent the people, the person. And now like the person is doing a mug like
Yeah,
accessing the calculator. So who will be the calculators? That's the problem.
the calculator or the human.
Yeah, the calculator or the human. But we already said like this is the calculators. So who
Why
will?
make it?
Yeah, why? Okay, okay. So 100x equal to
One, two,
21,200. So to get x
21.
is 2,
21,800 over 100. Oh, shoot.
which is
Oh, wait. One, two.
how do we do?
21, 8.00 or something.
Wait, 21.
Wait. Hold it on for a second.
Yes.
21, 2,180, 2,100. Hold on. Let me check this math.
Mm. Hmm.
218?
218, yes, 218. So yes, we know that the whole number have the decimal at the end, right? At the end. So when we divide by 100, we shift 2 digits to the left. So decimal is becoming here, right?
Yeah.
So the answer is $208. Okay. So George have to pay back $218.
I
Mhm.
mean, at least he gets $109 back.
Yeah, yeah. $208, $18. Okay, and the normal words. Okay, so this is like the official way to solve this exercise, but you can always use my method, which is like not the official one, but we can like verify it.
It's method two.
Yeah, it's method two. It's method two here. So let me erase. No need to erase. Maybe new slide. So we know that George will be. So he borrowed $200, which is simply 100%, and the new price that he owe, which we are looking for, let's denote it as X, is how many percent? The percent increased by the interest rate.
9%.
If it's only
But
9%, that is we are looking for the price of the interest only. Do you agree? If it's only 9%, the X is the price of the interest only.
the amount after the interest?
The amount, no, not after the interest. The amount only with the interest, not after the interest.
No.
So we
Wait.
should be how many percent?
109.
109 because it's after the interest, meaning the original price 100% plus the interest 9%. So that should be 109 here. That should be 109%. So then to solve for x, always do cross multiply. So this time this. So 100x equal to one 109 times 200, which is 100x equal to 21800, x equal to 21800 divided by 100. So then this is equal to 218, right?
Huh? Yeah.
Okay, so this is the answer. Simpler. Look like simpler.
Simpler.
Yeah, simple exercise. So, all right. So, okay, we still have time. A little bit time. So maybe I give the next one for your homework.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay. Number three. Yen have $450 in a saving account. Saving account. The interest rate is 7%. How much will he have after 2 years? How much will he have after 2 years?
Oh, that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, okay.
Hmm. Uh,
So
it does it look like a very simple to you? Maybe.
very
Okay, okay. So keep for your homework, or you can do after this. So
okay.
okay, so
So
let wrap it up.
let's